Hey, so we made it to Long Beach. We're now downstairs. We're unloading the race car, the trailer, everything. So let me get it all unloaded. We're gonna go back up top and yeah, so check it out. Give us a second. Let me unload. So we just unloaded the car. We're down here at Long Beach underneath the tunnel or whatever this is in the bottom parking garage. We're getting ready to fire up and we're gonna be going up top. So check it out and we'll show you as we drive through it all. Alright, so come check us out, Moto IQ booth and Milestar Drift League booth. Check out the new car. So it's under hidden for debut, coming up here shortly, a couple hours after the video. But we will see you guys soon. We're gonna go walk around FD, check everything out. Pretty cool. Got a lot of people showing up late. Definitely cool. So give me a second, we're gonna go walk around some. Alright, so we're sitting here, streets of Long Beach. Check it out. Super cool. That's where they're coming down the tunnel. We'll show you guys in a second. So, who you going with, babe? Who's gonna be #1 qualifier? You don't know anyone? What color car? What color car did you like out there? Which one? Odie. She likes Odie. Hey, there we go, Odie. You got one tick for you. What about you over there, Sir Carson?
I'm gonna go with Forrest.
He's going with Forrest. I'm going with Peter. Peter looked super hot out there today, so he's been doing really well, wall to wall to wall. But Dan has been doing really good as well. I just heard he made a full run or a full pass with no lift except for in the hairpin, which is really incredible. And he's running that new sequential. So we'll see him soon, see what's going on. Live stream starts in 15 minutes, so stay tuned for all that, and we'll see who wins out of the three of us. #1 qualifier. All right, have fun.
Here in Formula Drift and the streets of Long Beach. So when we come back, Ryan set to run there. So basically, if they're tied, it's the second score. Here comes Odie Bakshi. What do you feel? Get out that V8 under the hood of this Mercedes barely kisses that black magic intense tire plug.
No lift.
All right, what do you think, babe? What do you think about that run?
I don't think this is going to better.
Go. What do you think? How was it?
Let's take a look here.
Think it's gonna be higher or lower?
Odie, very snappy initiation, big angle.
She chose Odie. I like Odie as well, but I think I'm taking Peter.
He's not as close.
Come on, Peter, you gotta step up.
Outside zone, and watch this little adjustment right there. See, he made an adjustment from outside zone.
Hey, it sounded awesome.
The second.
I'm saying still high 90s for sure. Good job running, good job.
Potentially, but Dine did get his 97 on his second run. So
he was flat out.
I think what really came out
was over. So, pretty crazy. Matt Field just laid down a 99 in a Corvette, no mistakes. So here comes Turk down right now. Matt Field's run was perfect.
First run has come out. That just wound up
like the shirt.
Oh, thanks.
And brings around that
We got Don Shredda.
In here.
throwing it down.
Thank you.
So Turks, last and final run
Is this your fan base?
Yes.
Coming out aggressive. Big smoke line developing. Swings off.
I was asking Seth back here what he's building this year.
Pretty good job there.
What are you building?
You see a very
What are you building? Anything new?
Nothing. I'm not building nothing.
The little differences there.
Still a BMW driving?
Run by Ryan Turk overall.
No,
Just
I got a
taking
Prius,
little
dude.
bit less
He drives a
rubber
Prius.
band.
Do they let you drive it here?
I did drive it here.
They let you drive it through the gate though?
No.
They didn't. Long Beach didn't make it illegal?
The top 32.
Oh, I know they should have. There's gas engine in it. Come on.
Ryan Turk
I know.
leads.
Oh well. Sorry, side punch. The electric
96. He jumps up
96.
to a 96.
The electric car that they were supposed to be driving was not allowed, so now there's Prius jokes forever. So thank you for that, guys. I appreciate the jokes. But here, something else coming up.
Justin.
All right, so Peter just made his run, also a 97. So hey, babe, we tied. So Odie and Peter both ended up with the same one. Whoa, where'd you guys go? Hold on. There we go. So yes, another 87. So Osbo, Peter, and Odie are all running 97s. So, all right. Well, we will see you guys tomorrow. It's basically all done. No, there's one more driver. James Dean's running right now. So we'll see if he can beat that. What's number one qualifier? 99? Who? Oh yeah, Field's got a 99. Let's see what happens here. Here we go.
He needs a 99. Needs a 99. Needs a 99 to take. Or perfect. Let's see what James Dean's got. The vehicle. Ryan, I don't think this is going to be enough.
I don't know. That looks really good.
I mean, it needed to be near perfect, if not perfect.
What's your call on that?
Let's take a little closer look here.
97. So hey, so I just found out that
Looks great. Taps
my
the wall.
camera's a little tilted for some reason. Hold on, guys. We'll be back. I don't know. All right, so hey, I just heard why Jeff spun on his first run. Had an okay, scary second run, but had an okay first run, then spun on the initiation. So what happened on Jeff?
Apparently, he broke his finger with his transmission.
So I guess his transmission that's supposed to be helping him shift gears. I guess he broke his finger. Not sure what happened. We'll go talk to him here in a second, see what exactly happened. But sorry, Jeff. He's going to the hospital? He has gone to the hospital. So I guess they dropped the transmission on his hand. He broke his finger. So Jeff, hey, hope you feel better, man. We'll see you out here in Formula D tomorrow. 97, James Dean, Matt Field is number one qualifier. See you guys tonight.
There you have it.